Yay, it's the night before Christmas.
Christmas?
Easter!
Christmas! Easter, you idiot!
Hey!
I'm sorry, but
I know.
Easter! Woohoo! The Easter Bunny's gonna come and give us all time to stop! Not Santa Claus, okay? Christmas. You made a funny. Oh, I can't wait. Kids, time to go to bed. You know not to stay up this late, see? Ah! Even your idiot father doesn't stay up this late. But Dad's not an idiot. Yes, he is. Oh, sorry.
Okay.
Wait for me. 1 minute later. 2 minutes later. 3 minutes later.
Can we just get on with the show?
Okay, 10 hours later. Oh my gosh! Oh no, he did it! He didn't give us enough spaghetti! Ah, that's a ripoff! I declare a refund.
Ow!
I just do! I'll send a letter to the Easter Bunny. Send a letter to the Easter Bunny telling him he forgot us!
Dang it.
Did you see
My dad is the Easter Bunny.
He is? Why didn't you tell me?
Why?
Tell him he is a hobknocker.
I don't know what he is.
What's a hobknocker? I don't know what a hobknocker is, but he's a hobknocker.
Listen.
It's a hobknocker! Oops, sorry.
It's gross and illegal.
It's gross and illegal. Ew! You just called the Easter Bunny gross and illegal! Whoops. Sorry, I didn't mean to call your dad gross and illegal.
Hello. Oh, just be
Hello, mate. You want to help?
Yeah. Say at first, we're